Etsy's mission is to keep commerce human, and Pinterest is one of the most natural extensions of that mission. Billions of products and ideas have been handpicked and curated by real people on Pinterest, and millions of those are products from you, from Etsy sellers. Now, pinners come through the front door with intent. And unlike other channels where users go on to catch up on their network or news, pinners come to the platform to bring their inspiration and turn it into action. Because 97% of searches on Pinterest are unbranded, this indicates that pinners come in with an open mindset, ready to discover unique brands and sellers like yourselves. Pinterest is where people find their favorite products and actively search, just not passively scroll. They come seeking inspiration and leave knowing what they're going to purchase. Pinterest is also evergreen, which means that your content does not have an expiration date and will continue to get saved by pinners as the months and years pass, and you'll continue to drive earned sales. People are always looking to get inspired, which increases the likelihood of conversion. Pinterest users really have a positive experience on our platform, and we thrive on building a positive space to create and express yourselves to an inspired audience. Now, we also partner closely with the Etsy team about how Etsy sellers can make the most out of Pinterest. And we've been told that many of you use Pinterest, but there are still a lot of great opportunities to better leverage the platform and grow your business and be discovered by future buyers. Now, we're really excited to help you as small businesses to thrive on Pinterest, and as a result, build on your customer base on Etsy. Pinterest is another channel to reach new buyers and get discovered.